Good morning. Today we are doing a day in the life of my cloth diapered baby Eve. So most mornings obviously start out in bed. I turn off our sound machine and get Evie ready for some breakfast. Are you ready for some milk? I usually lay down to nurse her in bed, just so that we can wake up slowly and kind of enjoy that bonding time together in the mornings. So after that, I usually pick up my Evie and we open the curtains together to say hello to a new day. And Evie loves to look out the window. She loves the outdoors, so I think she really likes this part of our routine. So then I pick out an all-in-one from our diaper bin. And I usually have her outfit for the day laid out on the bed by this point, and we get her dressed. So during the day we wear all-in-ones just because honestly they're the easiest diaper pretty much ever. And they look super cute as well. So today Evie is wearing the GroVia all-in-one in the color rose. Her overnight diaper goes in our perfect pail, which is basically a diaper pail for dirty diapers. She wears the GroVia ones overnight, and then we have some playtime. Hi. Hi. You ready to play? Okay, let's get some toys. You're silly. Say wow. Say wow. Ready? You gonna help Mama? Whenever Evie is happy playing alone, I take advantage and try to get stuff done. So right here, I'm just sorting all the clean diapers, and I basically just get them ready to put on her bum for the next diaper change. How pretty do the diapers look, all organized and sorted? Oh my gosh, you guys, this is what dreams are made of. Check that unicorn. The mailman is here, and I know that the package he has is really huge, so I don't think we're his favorite people. Oops. Not only because we order a lot of diapers all the time, so he's making his way out here a few times a week, but our driveway is super icy and super steep. And he's gonna have to carry this package all the way from our driveway to our door, which is kind of far. Oops, sorry. Don't forget to always say thank you to your mail people.
Presents here for you.
Yay. Got some fruit up in here. Oops. Hold it. Hold it. Here. Good girl. Good girl. That's my good girl. Is it good, Evie? Oh, okay. So while Evie eats her frozen fruit, I'm having some homemade vegetable fried rice. Oh, I'm such a weirdo. Veggie fried rice, and obviously with some sriracha. Do you want that back, baby girl? Where's your bib, girlfriend? Hey? Oh, is that good? Oh, say bye. Bye, fruits. There you go. Go ahead, you can chew it. You can have it. Here, baby, you gotta hold it, girlfriend. There. And a bunch of water because nursing makes me so thirsty. Here you go. Enjoy. So my next video on cloth diapering is going to be a Q&A. So if you guys have any questions, are you okay? If you guys have any questions or I don't know, are just curious about any aspects of cloth diapering, leave them in the comment section below and they will be answered in my next video. Diaper change time. Honestly, guys, a day in the life of a cloth diapered baby is really no different than that of a baby who wears disposables. Really, the only difference is a few times a week I may just do laundry, diaper laundry, which is super easy too. But other than that, yeah, it's pretty easy. We don't really change any more often than I would if we were wearing disposables. Evie was in disposables for the first few weeks of her life because we hadn't invested in a newborn stash, which I really regret. But even when she was in disposables, I still changed her like pretty much every 2 hours, which is what I do still now. So yeah, we just do diaper changes and live our life. It's honestly a lot easier than I thought it would be. What was that face? Ready for a nap? Splish splash, I was taking a bath early on a Friday night. Hi. Mama's ready for bed. Are you ready? So a bath always starts out our nighttime routine, and then once we're out, we do a little baby massage, we read a few books, sing a bedtime song, and then go to bed. Hey guys, so for this video, I was actually able to team up with GroVia to give you guys a giveaway. So in order to enter the contest to be able to win a wicked awesome pack of diapers, Evie's playing in the bath, all you have to do to enter is comment below and tell me what you like. Tell us, me and Evie and I, what you like about cloth diapering. Or I guess what drew you to it. Just tell us one good thing about cloth. Yay! Okay, we're going to finish up our night routine and then we will head to bed. Don't forget to leave your questions about cloth diapering below, and to see what you will win in this contest, you can visit the link in the description to GroVia's website. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!